Hey guys, what's up? And today we're going to be unboxing the new Sennheiser HD579 headphones. As you can see here, it's around the ear headphones, and there's something there written down, I think in German. And so over here it says some things about the headphones. So it has replaceable earpads, comfortable earpads for long listening sessions, Sennheiser transductors for optimum sound experience, and it has a detachable cable that you can probably connect to your iPod or MP3 player or whatever you have. And as it says here, it's setting the standard of home audio excellence. Guys, now we'll be unboxing these headphones. So here's the headphones. Just 1 second. I think there's a tab over here. And here's the headphones. Looks pretty cool and sleek. As you can see here, this is the audio jack. You can probably connect to your piano or your guitar or your amplifier. And I think there's also a male to female connector so that you can connect to your iPod and other devices. And it's gold plated too. As you can see here, there's some paperwork. So ours is the HD579 and has a Sennheiser logo, and it's all covered up. Let's leave this aside. So as you can see here, these are the headphones. Oh, this cable's pretty long. So as you can see here, these are the this is the Sennheiser logo. Pretty nice headphones. This part feels like leather, but I don't think it's leather. I think it's fake leather. Pretty cool. I'll just go and get my iPod so that we can have a quick sound test. So this color is really nice and cool. It's not like those white color ones that collect a lot of dust. So yeah. So guys, as you can see, I've got my iPod here. So let's quickly do a sound test. So guys, as you can see, the sound is really clear and crisp. It's got some really good bass too. Here you can listen to the song. The beat is really good. Like, you obviously enjoy listening to music through some headphones like these. I really recommend you guys to buy some like this, and I'm going to leave the link in the description down below so that you can buy it. It's around the $150 to $250 range, and I really recommend you to buy it if you're willing to shell out some good amount of money. Thanks guys, bye. Also guys, like, subscribe and comment down below. Bye. And guys, I'm also giving out an Skull Candy inked headphones for a giveaway when we hit 100 subscribers. So please smash the like button and subscribe and share this video. Thanks. Bye.